Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man, and here's your daily update, guys. I found some bullish signs today. Not only a bearish video, not only, oh my god, we're going down to hell, oh my god, we're going down to 10,000. Okay, I showed you all these things in the last days, but now I found some bullish things, some bullish patterns. We need to talk. Let me show you. Let's go with this analysis. So let's start with the quick overview from CoinMarketCap. What's going on here? We can see Bitcoin is going not up to the upside. It's going sideways a little bit. Maybe it's a little bottom, a little shiny bottom. We have a plus about 0.23% for the moment, but in the week, okay, I know it guys, 15% in the minus, that's really bad. But maybe it's a little bottom now. Let me show you. All other coins are in the red position. Ethereum is going down more as Bitcoin, 16.35%. All altcoins, or the most altcoins, are in a bad down position. Cardano 20% in the minus in 7 days. Solana 16% in the minus, and so on and so on. We have 70,700 crypto coins in the market. Bitcoin dominance is on 42.1% and Ethereum dominance is on 18.4%. We have extreme fear in the market. And yes, let's check this one. That's the the price prediction from CoinCodex, guys. I know it's a really bad stuff, but I would like to show you this also in the future. Here we are going maybe up a little bit. This is showing us the CoinCodex price prediction. After this, we will go down to 35,000. We have a bearish sentiment. We can see it here, and yes, we can see 23% bullish and only 77% bearish. Okay, really bad. We have the targets to the downside, support points. We have the resistance points to the upside. We know 41,000 is a really big resistance to the upside. And now, guys, let me show you why I think we have maybe a bullish thing to watch. Here is Cryptorphic. Cryptorphic is showing us here maybe we are on the 3-day chart. Every candle is here 3 days. Fighting with the EMA 200, and the EMA 200 is a nice long time support. So you can see it here, 200-day EMA, 200 EMA line. This is this violet line here, and you can see for the moment we are fighting perfectly, but really perfectly with this line. We saw a perfect spike to the downside. And now that's one of the reasons why this is maybe a nice bottom building. I know it, guys. It's a 3-day chart picture. It's a 1 day we can find lines on every chart picture. But this is a really nice long time support line. And I think, yes, not bad. We saw here a trap on the left side. And now you can see we saw a successful retest. And this confirms a bullish rally all the way to 46,000. And possibly 53,000. This is telling us Cryptorphic, okay, thanks for this one. He's also showing us a nice parallel channel, and I think, yes, that's not the baddest thing. On the downside, he's showing us the RSI, and you can see this stuff here is maybe nice, working really nice. Watch this one. We saw a falling wedge, a trap. After this, we broke out. Maybe we see here the same stuff. It's not impossible. Everything is possible, guys. It's Bitcoin, you know it. So, okay, retest, breakout, bullish thing, yes or no? Please leave a comment. What do you think, guys, about this one here? Is it possible to see from here a nice pump to the upside? Let me hope. Here's Dr. Ross. Hello, Dr. Ross. What are you doing here? And this is the 1-day time frame, and he's showing us here, okay, we are fighting for the moment with this line. Guys, I will show you now in my chart what's going on with this line, what's going on with this Fibonacci, and how it works. Dr. Ross, thanks for your help. So here's the Biti chart. What's going on? We see here the daily time frame. Every candle is here 1 day. We saw here this bad line. We broke it to the upside. Nice. And we are again, or we are still over this red line. Okay. But now let me show you Fibonacci from the downside to the highest point to the upside. And you can see on the downside, the lowest point is the Fibonacci number 1. And after this, we can see now this stuff, guys. Look at this. We are now fighting over the 0.66 Devil's Fibonacci line. The 66 Devil's Fibonacci line is a price about 37,300. We are here over this important support. We saw a bad spike to the downside, but we are for the moment over this support. And what happened? We made a wick to the upside, 0.618 Fibonacci line, 37,830. So now we are fighting between both of these lines. That's a big fight. We have 11 hours to close this daily candle. And you can see on the downside, we should stay over 37,280. This is important for the day. And maybe we see more power to the upside. I hope New York is coming in and they are buying Bitcoin like extreme bulls. I don't know, guys. I hope they are buying. So what else can we see? On the downside, we can see first of all, guys, we made a low price about 36,220 and we made the next low 36,350. Yes, it's a higher low. It's not a lower low, and that's also important. We are still making higher lows and we need this one, guys. For the moment, everything is okay. For the moment, it's possible to make a bottom here. For the moment, it's not the baddest thing to make or you made a buy position on 36,500. Why? I showed you this yesterday on my video and for about 2 days also. So guys, if you are trading, if you are now in a trade position, you have to watch this two Fibonacci lines, 37,800 and 37,300. This is the most important thing for the moment, in my opinion. It's not important to watch the MA20 on the upside. It's the blue line. Okay, it's really high. It's on 41,000. A price about 41,000. It's not so important to watch. So let me check this one, guys. We are here in a nice parallel channel to the upside. We are still in a daily time frame, and yes, I hope that this one is holding now. I hope that we can see a nice jump to the upside from here. And that's the important stuff, in my opinion, for the moment. Remember, guys, we are still in a big, bad, bearish downtrend. Don't forget it. We need to break out of this bearish downtrend, guys. That's really, really important. For the moment, this little uptrend is holding. As long as it is holding, everything is okay. But we need a breakout. We need a breakout maybe here on this Fibonacci 40,800, maybe a breakout here, and let us stay please in this next nice parallel channel to the upside, and let us leave please this parallel channel to the downside. That's the next big thing. That's the next big trade for the moment I'm waiting for, guys. So you know now this stuff. Today I will not show you a too long video. I made long videos on the last days. Now today a fast update, some bullish words, not only bearish words. And you can see this parallel channel is my hope now to break out of this damn parallel channel to the downside. So okay, but guys, before we end this video, let me show you one thing. Because it's a bullish video, let me show you the 5-wave Elliott wave theory. I'm still in this theory. I know we have an M pattern possible, but we also have here a 1, 2, 3. What's going on? 1, 2, 3. Here's 3, 4, 5. A 5-wave Elliott wave theory to the upside. I would like to see 80,000. I know, guys, I showed you 10,000, I showed you 12,000, but I will show you both targets. Everything is possible. I can't predict the future. No one can predict the future. No Moon Boy, no Da Vinci, and no crypto, anything, guys. You know, all of influencers with the big mouth open, they are showing you the future. They can't predict the future. They can make TA, and that's the thing what I'm making. Also, I'm making TA for you, and that's the possible thing. So I hope for breaking out over this bad downtrend channel, guys. I hope that wave number 4 is the deepest point here. I hope that it holds, guys, because if we will go down more and more, and if we will go down to this big support area, I'm showing you this support area since long time. This is really important. If we will go down under 30,000, then wave number 4 is not in the game for the moment. We will lose our Elliott wave to the upside. We will lose maybe our target to 80,000. We will lose maybe everything. It will go down to minus 8,000. No, guys, not 8,000. But maybe we will go down and the M pattern will play out, and this is a really bad stuff. Some joke in the morning. This is Biti, guys. This is not a financial advice. Really important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is the way how I'm trading. I'm in a long position now, and I would like to tell you this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti, Bitcoin trading information.